Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, is this channel? Or is it? So for today, we're going to unbox a very special item that we just got from the mail. And by we just got, I meant days ago already. And ang tagal nang nagbubukas. Ang tagal. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Guess what? Meron pa. I didn't. So, if you wanna know what's inside, it's none other than the Dyson Airwrap. Yay! 45 years! Tada! Uy, ay tulog na. Yay! We got the Dyson Airwrap complete long in the shade. What shade is this? In the shade. Basta yung gold, guys. The gold one. The bronze one pala. So now we're gonna open it. So we're gonna open it now. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Mom? Yeah, she says yes. Arte nung nag-voice over. Nag-cringe ako. Okay, yay. Sana wag mong ibagsak. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Ang bigat niya, guys. In fairness. Huy, wag ibagsak. By the way, I'm here. Yay! Wow! Oh, sabay. Wow! Wow! Wait, guys, it's velvet, guys. Just so you know, it's velvet. Okay. Wala na yan. OA. Si OA. Wow, sana walang malaglag. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ano ba? So, we have the First, we have the main, ang tawag dyan? The main, styler. Huh? The main thing. Okay, so we have the main thing. C is bronze. It's not gold. Ang bobo ko sa part. So, and then, nalabas dyan. Sige, pala ka. Hindi natin lahat. and then, we have the attachments. First, we have wait, I know what it's called. First, we have the soft smoothing brush. So, that's that one. And then, we have the Coanda smoothing dryer. That's the dryer. And then, we have, what's that? We have the firm smoothing brush. Ta-da! Wow. Oh, hindi na mabalik. Oh, sige. Sige. Balik mo. Sige. And then we have the round volumizing brush. I'm so excited to try this for my blowouts. And then we have both the 30 millimeters and the 40 millimeters long barrel. I think you have to use the 30 mm because your hair is very thin. Tada! That's the 30 millimeter one. And then the other one is the 40. Ano pa? Yeah, that's the 4. Actually, this is the 30 that's the 30 millimeters one. And then this one is the 40 because this is thicker. And we have another one. I think this is the panglinis. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one you use to clean it. Ta-da! Okay, we're ready to try. So guys, we're gonna try it out now. First, we're gonna use the 30 millimeter na barrel. Sana nag-push mo sila. So, bida-bida ka. So, medyo magulo yung buhok natin. Bakit wala ka? Okay, wait. So, they said to put it on the heat setting first. So, doon na siya lalagay, syempre. Hindi siya nagamit. Ayun na siya. Okay, it works. It works, guys. I think you just have to... Hmm. You have to roll with it. Ang okay mo kasi. Because ito yung nag-roll with it eh. Tara. Okay, and then you put it on the cool setting. And then wait for like, I forgot, I didn't watch the tutorial. I didn't know na ito try natin eh. Wala ito ba naman? Okay, and then ito nito. Naman. Grabe naman. Yan na. Oh my gosh, tayo na we don't know how to use it. Kailan hindi siya gumana. Yun, hindi siya maganda. Ba't mo kasi na... Okay, don't know na ulit. See? Hey guys. Oh, that was such a workout. This is our final look. Gonna show y'all. So nice, bro. Lucky we still have to learn because definitely not the best work, but this is so good for a first time. Like, can you see that? Can you see that blowout, girl? Like, girl, pwede na pong Pantene. Cream Silk? Cream Silk, come get this, girl. Wow. Wow. Wait. Lean back. Wow. Wait lang. Wait. Oh. Sino ka dyan? Oh. Oh, diba? Guys, so visit Aya Salon. Open Monday to Friday. So that's it. That's our Dyson Aerope, guys. If you want to see more of this, let us know. Next, we can do my hair. Pero I'm lazy na eh. So, lazy na. So, arte. Bye, guys. Hindi pa tapos yung outro. Thanks for watching.